Good evening, everyone. It's Monday, and I'm here again in Grundhorst. They have Motorrad Fest, so motorcycle festival. So they started this festival on Friday last week, and today is the last day on Monday. Last day on Monday, and you can see here the fire. And they started this fire on Friday, and they kept firing whole Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days. And so today they will finish. They will close 12 o'clock. And every evening they had music. So Friday they had pop and rock. And yesterday they had a break with the concert, but today they will have some folk music. So even during the weekdays, afterward, I just came here to see this the village festival. Yeah, it's very very cozy. Family in all ages they are here, and it's kind of cool and really big celebration of this motorbike club. With that, I wish you a nice evening. Bye.